We are Smiths on tour, the average UK family that risked it all to have it all.
We sold everything we owned, including our house, took Tilly out of school, quit our jobs and got out of there.
We are now on a worldwide search to find a better lifestyle. So if you want to be inspired by us, follow us on our journey.
Welcome to Tam Coc, Smiths on tour as we continue our journey through Vietnam. Epic. This video has been brought to you by all the members of the Smiths on Tour £1 Club. So thank you to everyone. You're all current sponsors of our channel. So we've come to Tam Coc today. We're going to ride on the boats. I don't know where these boats take us. They're just next to me here. Look at the scenery out here. It's absolutely epic. So we're going to get on this boat. We're going to bring you with us. Thank you to everyone that's watching. Thank you to everyone that's joined the £1 Club. Now let's see what Tam Coc's all about. Hey!
Yellow line, it takes about 1.5 hours, 250 per person. If you want to buy ticket for just about, we have an electric car. Yellow car, it takes you to the main ticket counter. You buy ticket there and come back here by electric car. Ticket counter is 300 meters from here.
I don't know whether she's trying to get us to pay for the yellow car to go and get a ticket when you can just walk, but we'll just wait and see what happens. Here's a shuttle.
Yeah.
Here it is. Watch your back. Shuttles are here.
Shuttle's here. We're going to get on this and go and get a ticket. We made it to the new ticket office.
It's 250,000 dong per person, so that's not that bad. How much is that? £6 per person, something like that?
Yeah, £6, something like that. There's 3 of these boat trip things around Ninh Binh, and if you read the reviews on Google, they are interesting reviews, aren't they? They're proper mixed. This could be the best day or the worst day, but we'll always give you the real day.
It doesn't look too busy though, so we might not get loads of people selling us stuff. I haven't had that vibe yet, so...
No, it seems pretty chill so far. Well, it wouldn't be a boat trip, would it, without some Vietnamese hats? Tilly's fuming.
Right, okay, I'm not wearing this.
Yes, you are. She's matching me.
It's a waste of money.
Dad and daughter.
This.
Matching dad and daughter look. Tilly, do this.
Also, I don't want this one. This one's not good.
No, that's beautiful.
I want that one. Yeah. Are they the same price?
Right.
Oh, we're not matching anymore.
I don't want to match with you.
Oh, that one is nicer, though.
Yeah, I want this. Is it the same
Can you
price?
see?
Okay.
You like that one? Are you back? Emma's down here. She's buying one from another shop. Okay, well, me and Tilly will get these ones. No, Emma's got a hand-painted, beautiful one.
Come on.
Kamung ba.
Come
Kamung ba. You want to get? Xin chào. Xin chào, yeah. Vietnam number 1. Is that right? Vietnam number 1. Vietnam number 1. There we go. Friendly locals. We've all got Vietnamese hats now ready for our boat trip. Are you happy?
No.
I really want to reiterate that the £1 Club is not a charity cause. We're actually giving you something for your money. I was saying to Joe this morning, I bet everyone thinks we've got nothing and no money and we're on the street.
What she's trying to say is this isn't the £1 Club isn't like a GoFundMe page. You know, we're not begging for money. We're just trying to build a community. We're trying to give back to a community. We're trying to keep bringing you content and make it sustainable. And we're giving you all the chance to win a prize every month. That's the beauty of the £1 Club. What do you reckon? Yeah, she's pure keen for it, aren't you, girl? On with the boat trip. It's like a conveyor belt of tourists, isn't it, this?
It's like, you know when you wait for a roller coaster and it comes round? Like the cards, the ones that are like the spooky ones and it comes round.
There's so many people. We've got rigged up with our life jackets and we're just waiting to go through Jurassic Park / King Kong territory. There's something so cool about these boats as well. I'll show you in a minute when we get on it. I'm not joking. This is chaos.
Okay, I'll sit in front.
Stay behind
This is absolute chaos already.
He's getting pushed around. I don't even know when he knows that we're free.
There's a lot of shouting going on.
Okay, sit down.
Ah, we're in. That was weird, wasn't it?
Yeah, like, he gets the same for 3 people stand there, but then a whole bus company came with 3 people on each boat. So there's no like order, but that's just, there is no queues in this side of the world, is there? Even in Malaysia, it was like that. We're on the boat though, woohoo! We've got our
Hello, ciao.
She's got a lovely smile. That's good.
We're from England. I like your hat. Very nice.
I'm glad we've got her.
Yeah, she's super friendly. The reviews online are so mixed. You should just Google it, really. Look at Ninh Binh boat tours and go through the reviews. It's enough to put you off, but we always just go with it.
She's rowing with her arms, but a lot of the people row with their feet. Joe will show you now.
Yeah. How cool is that?
I bet we're so heavy for this poor lady. I feel like Joe and I are really heavy for this lady, all 3 of us together.
The scenery is so epic already. I hope that this gets even better, because it'll just be an amazing perspective from the water.
Wow, that's amazing.
Never seen anything like that before, have you?
No, that's amazing. It must be back breaking and leg breaking. Like, no one needs leg day around here.
Apart from me.
Around, except for Joe, yeah, it's paralegs. Did he just give me a mango slice? Anyway, I can see where we went last time, up at the top of there, and the dragon head up there. I went up there and it was so scary. Do you see it? What was it called?
Oh, I can see the dragon. It's called Mua Cave. It's in our last, in one of our last videos. You can actually watch us going up there.
It was so good, but it was super scary because it was just like a sheer drop either side, right at the top where that dragon head is. I didn't realise how high up I was.
This is awesome. We're going through this. Is this actually where King Kong was filmed?
I think, yeah, this part of it was where King Kong was filmed. You can watch it. It's on YouTube, isn't it, of where it was filmed?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
good.
it's really interesting. But we've never seen landscapes like this. It is epic.
I think this is the most beautiful place I've been in the world.
Whoa.
For landscapes like this, you wouldn't get that anywhere.
No, that's true. You don't see
Honestly,
this anywhere.
And this experience, it's a different experience from a boat. It gives a different perspective, like you're going through the big landscapes and the caves, and God, I love it.
It looks class behind your head right now.
Does it?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
I love my hat. I absolutely love it. And I love Nu. She's beautiful. I just asked her a question, actually, if you're interested. I was like, do they work all of the time? And she said, no, I work 5 days a week and we all row once. So that's good.
Yeah, because it would be murder on your back, wouldn't it,
And your
doing
legs,
that?
yeah.
Look at this. There. Doing that. Imagine doing that more than once a day.
She says she swaps from arms to legs, but she does it once and then she paints for the rest of the time, selling her paintings.
Wow. What do you think, Tilly? Teenage perspective, what do you think to this?
I don't know. How long is it?
That says it all.
How long is it, seriously?
An hour and a half to 2 hours, I think.
Are we there yet? That's gonna
At
be
least I've got snacks.
Yeah,
That's why we got snacks.
we brought a bag of snacks with us.
For the first time in a week.
Yeah, we've stopped Tilly eating snacks so much because she was getting addicted to sugar and she wouldn't eat anything else.
No, untrue. I just don't like to be in a music video.
We're going into a cave.
Well, we're going into a cave, Tilly. By the way, just before we go into this cave, this is an Insta360. I use it in all the videos that we make. I'm working in affiliation with them. There's a link with in the description with the promo code that you can use for technology on the whole site. And there's a load of stalks over there. We get zoomed in on them. Whoa.
And the fish.
Pretty cool. Cave.
Oh, this is so cool.
The Cave of Wonders. This is cool. We're about to enter a cave in Vietnam by a boat.
Do you think the Insta will pick it up?
For sure. The Insta picks everything up.
Best camera in the world, by the way.
Here we go. That's epic, yeah, I didn't even think of that. We are going through one of those huge limestone formation rocks that you see on the outside. We're going through one.
Oh, this is one of the best things I've ever done.
Oh, that is awesome. Whoa.
It does actually feel like we're in a movie.
It does.
Like you sat in the boat, but it actually feels like we are in King Kong or Jurassic Park, or especially like the way that we're going through these. Oh man, this is why I travel.
Number 2. Yeah. Oh, this one's not as big. I see the end.
Oh. It's cool, pretty cool though, isn't it? Going through an actual mountain. There's a mountain up there that we're going through. You've never done that before?
Yeah. We have.
Where?
On a motorbike.
Oh yeah, but we did it on land. This is different because it's on water. We're rowing through.
What about Greece?
We did it out at sea. This is fresh water.
Is there crocodiles in here?
Oh, that's awesome.
There might be.
I wouldn't be surprised.
This is cave number 2 and it's
Touch the roof.
so cool. Whoa.
Nail.
The nail off.
Oh my god.
What's your head?
Why is my hat doing this?
A great thing about going through these caves is you can see the light at the end of them, but you don't know what you're going to be trekked with as a view when you come out of it. It's like a big surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a Kinder surprise.
We can't fit in the shot together because of our hats.
We're coming out. Whoa, I touched it. Look at this. That is grand.
That's epic.
That's the biggest.
Oh my God, I've never seen anything like it with my own eyeballs. Oh yeah, there's a cave up at the top. Zoom in. Whoa. Wonder what lives in there.
Oh, it is a treat on your eyes coming through. You've never experienced it before. It's pure jungle in there, look. You do expect like a big gorilla to come through. Not me, like on the film set.
A big hairy man. That's the end now. It's like a straight up, and then you go through the third cave, and then you turn around and you go back the other way. So we'll just enjoy this all the way back now.
This woman new is super strong. She's done this all in a oneer, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Turned around. This
No moaning.
has been so good. 21 quid, it's nothing.
Yeah.
We're going to tip her at the end.
One last look before we see you at the end of the tour. Whoa.
She did it.
It's in your hair. Tilly, you're gonna miss mum and hit the woman. Tilly, you nearly hit me. You splashed her. You're so rude.
Ew, it stinks.
You smell your fingers.
I'm going to pick up a fish like that and slap it like
Right, we've just wrapped up the day here. We've finished our boat trip. We've been out and bought some fruit. Look at this. It's less than £1 for some chopped up pineapple and mango. Anyway, we've just been sat here. Emma's picked a new hobby of let's spot who gives tips and who doesn't, because if you read through the comments online on the reviews of these boat trips in Ninh Binh, a lot of the comments are to do with people getting angry about not giving tips. We actually gave a 200,000 dong tip, and the woman who took us was super grateful for it, wasn't she?
I think if you're gonna have a boat ride like that and she's paddling for an hour and a half, I think it's nice to give a tip. And I've just been watching people getting off the boats, and literally the people are so rude stepping off the boat, and I can understand why somebody's saying,
Yeah, not the
like,
drivers,
come
not the
on.
drivers, the
The
tourists.
people, the tourists. So I've been just sat watching them all. So I understand it, and it's unfair on the boat riders, I think. Is that the word?
Captain.
Captains. It's unfair on them on reviews because they're not that negative, and they're not shouting at people like they're making out.
No,
They're just saying, come on, like a bit of respect.
Yeah, I think I've just asked the guy anyway, because I was like, I'm going to put this into a YouTube video of what's a fair tip to give these people. We gave them 200,000, and the guy I just spoke to said that is a very good tip. He said 100,000 is good tip and 50,000 is okay. So if you're coming on these boats, I would say please tip the people, especially if they're smiling. Our woman, what's she called? Moo was so happy and smiley, and we love smiling. So like she deserved an extra tip anyway.
And I love doing stuff like that anyway. I would have given her 100,000 dong per person, but I do realise that we're on a budget ourselves and we're trying to get in on the £1 club. So I have to rein it in, but you should tip them. They work hard.
They work hard. And so do we, bringing this content to you. So if you would like to join the Smiths on Tour £1 Club, here's your opportunity. There's a link in the description. You can go on there, subscribe, become a member. It's only £1 a month, and that gets you access into a monthly prize draw. It gets us to keep bringing you sweet content like this, and we're going to go around the world helping communities. So it's a win-win-win.
I just want to add as well, if anybody, because we get messages all the time, if anyone wants to know how to start up this lifestyle, on smithsontourblog.com there's a full course on how to start this up. Logistics behind it, planning, banking, everything, where to put your money for interest, it's all there. So you can just click on it. It's $29.99, barely anything. So there you go. Thank you for following and thank you for watching.
It's a win-win-win-win-win with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, because that's free to do, and it helps us get out of these shadows. So please, if you can do anything, press subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bonus clip, me and Tilly have stopped at the side of the motorway on the way back to have a look at the most epic sunset ever. We've never seen the sun so big in all our lives. Have a look at the sun. What do you reckon to that?
Out of 10, it's gone under now.
That is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It
It doesn't look that good on camera.
No, but
Massive.
in person, it's a treat on the eyeballs. One more look. Oh.
The mountain's right there too. Okay, that's good.
Okay, let's go now. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.